Okay, now I'm going to beat the record. These people eating
Pizza!
my
Pizza!
birthday
Pizza!
my birthday food.
Yeah, that's right. Wells.
Here's your tinate with an eyeglass, colored eyeglass. Here is Mikey, hey Punggoy and Bengson and Danny. This is your cousin Mikey, huh? She's eating pizza. And beside her, her mom.
Pero mo she looks like your mother.
Oh, she looks like your mother when she was young. Don't you forget
But
that.
your mother is more beautiful.
And yeah, she has a little, she have more paler complexion. But she looks like her when she was young. And this is her mother. Yeah, also eating pizzas. Her youngest, her oldest sister. Okay, the one who gave the pizzas, huh? Don't you forget that. I know you recognize her when you were in Antipolo. Punggoy, Bengson, huh? Don't you forget that. This is Monica. Monica, huh? I hope you remember her. This is your cousin also. Richard Gutierrez Sarmiento. Don't you forget. He also needs money very badly. Oh, we have a visitor here. Marjorie's friend, huh? This video will go to America. Who else?
Ate Marv.
Oh, this is Marjorie. Marjorie, the second from my daughter. Okay, huh? Oh, don't you forget that. Hope you still remember. Okay, this is the last time. Is this your mother staying in the Philippines for already 2 months now?
I go to your mother like a general.
She's already
Bankrupt.
bankrupt. Okay, it's now time for me to
Eat pizza.
end the movie, huh?
Si
Because
Papa daw.
I will also eat
Wala
pizza.
ka bang move?
Papa, grab a pizza and I'm going to video. Okay, and the last person who's going to eat the pizza, it's Papa.
Birthday celebrant.
Okay.
Birthday celebrant will be the last one to eat the pizza.
Oh!
Ayan, itaka na sa mukha ni Ferdinand.
This is my cake. Ilang? This chef gave this to me. Okay?
Okay.
So, when you become rich in America, send me this thing.
Uy, Kuya Chard, ikaw naman mag-video. Ako. Mikey again. And it's my ate.
Sarap pala nito No.
They're enjoying the food.
Sarap pala yung pizza, no? Kasi ibang pizza.
It's my daddy.
Nakakasala yung kopya.
Is eating a pizza.
Yung kopya. Pinorang gobernador yata. Di ba may ari ng gobernador? Pizza, dito sa ano. Di ba nagpunta na yung asita natin?
It's Tita Nati.
Nagagandaan kita. Food server ka.
Talking to my visitor.
Masala ba pinaalis kayo? Ano nagpasala?
Governor yata, ano?
Ano ba? Ano may illegal ba na ginagawa?
Hindi. Ano yun? Nabili yata, di ba? Nabili tapos.
Pabatama na.
Ay, tama!